Thank you. Mr. Speaker, really it wasn't my intention to interrupt Honorable Owen Bayer, who was moving, or rather seconding the motion. But Mr. Speaker, there is a procedure of moving and seconding motions in this House. We should not entertain where the mover and the seconder are moving the motion and they are like opposing the same motion. If the committee has agreed or has made a decision on rejecting a candidate or a nominee, then how does it come about that the same members, actually the mover and the seconder, are talking like they are faulting their own report, Mr. Speaker? It is confusing this House. Leave it to us, we will know what we will do with it. If we feel, like I'm sure many of us feel, that there is no way we are going to reject one member out of 24, we are going to approve them all. But you are the same people who have rejected. So don't give excuses. Don't look good. You have rejected that lady called Malonza. Please don't look good. Live with it, move the motion, second it properly, then leave it to us. Mr. Speaker, I find it completely out of order.
You've made your point.
Thank you.
Owen, you've had the sentiments.